Chopper Freddy here, and today we're gonna play MEEPCITY! You know, right? MEEPCITY! It's very best. The best game ever. So, let's see, what do we have here? You know what, I think I'm gonna remove my t-shirt. Okay, my t-shirt. So let's change some. My avatar. It's time to change my avatar. There's a little bit longer to wait. Oh, avatar is ready. Talk to roleplay. What's that game? This way. So this is me. So I don't wanna wear a bomber jacket anymore. So just wait first, and voila! I didn't wear. So let's just restart that. Reset. It's supposed to be restarting. No, this is me. I'm still waiting on this. Don't worry. Let's play! Yay! It's the best! Where did you get the wings? I really wanted it though. Well, let's just edit avatar. Nah. Oh, it's expensive. Hey, is that a Serbia? Oh yeah. Where did they get the wings? I don't know though. They don't see any. Maybe here. No, this is all tails. And don't worry, I don't need it. So, take it. Hey! You guys didn't check out my estate. You want to check out? Come on! Let's teleport to my estate. Okay. So this is my estate. Look at this! I just got a fairy. Let's just. Woo! Yeah, I get it. Let's just take some flowery. Water it. Now it's just 5 hours left. So this is my estate. Hey, look, my lefty is. Oh yeah, as you guys know, lefty is from the Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria Simulator. Okay. So this is my estate. It's full of pizza. I love pizza until I'm gonna lick it up. Okay, so let's see it. So this is my kitchen. This is my bedroom. That was my lefty. That was my bunny. And this is my little baby. It's pink. Can we hold her? Oh man, we can hold her. Wait. Where is the baby? Oh no, my baby is missing! No! Seriously guys, where is my baby actually? Don't worry, I will get more baby. Sunny day. The best. Hey, does it get some hovercraft? Ooh, wow, this estate is a party. I hope I can get a roblox so I can make a class on the MEEPCITY, and then I can make my own party. Hey, how about I'm hungry. How about let's go eating. Okay, let's go eat. Oh, you earned 15 coins for playing. Great. Okay. How did you get the wings? I don't know the wings, but today I got plus. Let's find the wings. This here is a wings? Why don't you tell me? No. I'm not gonna get butterfly wings, I'm gonna get beetle wings. let's see. I think I'm gonna get white. Purchase. Assessing. Yeah, I got angel wings. Let's do that. Let's see. I think it's here. What did they wear it? Maybe at the avatar? No, it's not. It's everything free here. So let's see more. Okay, how do we get it? Come on. Maybe at this, at the door. Oh, it's a here. Oh, I can fly. Woo! I fly like a great sky man. Maybe angel man or what is this I can call. It's a fly! We gotta fly to the world! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to friend me on Roblox. So bye! Whee! Oh no, it's night now. Let's go to our estate.